And once again, this is the baking soda challenge.
Yeah.
So gross. Oops. It's snowy. It's so snowy. It's so snowy. It's so snowy. Oh my god, that was awful. Ugh.
I'm scared.
Why'd you do that? Why didn't you just...
Oh. This much?
Yeah. I'm like crying. Take all that, just swallow it all. Not that, but that.
Not this, but that.
And
do I need more? Are you sure?
I'm good. Go. Ready?
No.
You want to get that in your hand so that
But you said it. Oh. So what's it taste like?
find out for yourself.
Uh,
Go, go, go. Go! Now that you already tasted it, go! Go!
Oh.
Ew. Okay. Ew. Go. Go. The longer you hold his mouth, the worse.
Ew.
Ew. Ew. You okay?
Ew, Snow! Come here!
Don't eat that. That's gross.
Snow! I need water! Ew.
Stop eating the snow. Oh my god. Okay, bye.